Hi, so my name is Shivam Bhavsar and I am 25 this year.
Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Dhumal. I am 28 years old, based out of Pune, India.
I'm Purva and I'm 27 years old. Hi, my name is Tanya Nandwani and I'm 25 years old. RA's HRTA program is an intensive immersive training program which also allows the trainees to get on-the-job experience.
I think this is my first time going through such an intensive and proper training before starting with the actual work. So here in RA, whoever is joining under HRTA program, all of them have to go through a 3 months intensive training that includes regular assessments and check-in of the progress. So that helps them, helps HR Tech experts to assess our progress on the system and then track our progress accordingly.
Designed to transform trainees into SAP SuccessFactors HR technology consultant within 12 months.
At the end of 12 months program, trainees will graduate to become SAP SuccessFactors HR technology consultant.
Before joining HRTA, I was working at Tata Consultancy Services as DevOps engineer.
Prior to joining HRTA, I was an MBA student and had some experience in advertising. Before I joined HRTA, I was pursuing my MBA as a postgraduate student. This is my first job as a fresher.
So before joining HRTA, I was working as a HR recruiter and generalist as well, wherein I got the opportunity to learn in and outs of the HR processes. And now that the knowledge that I had in my previous experience, I can now relate to actual HR problems and I am able to relate and consult the client accordingly.
No, I didn't had any prior SAP SuccessFactors experience.
No, I don't have any SF experience before joining HRTA. I did hear about it, but I did not get the opportunity to work in it.
This is my first time with SAP SuccessFactors. Prior to joining HRTA program, I had no knowledge of SAP SuccessFactors or any prior experience in HR.
My HRTA experience had been incredibly enriching, providing hands-on experience on HR business processes, than SAP SuccessFactors product and client interaction skills.
The program, it was very well paced and it provided me with insights into end-to-end HR processes while also providing me an exposure to consulting. It has deepened my understanding about SAP. It has provided me with hands-on experience in this area. HRT has equipped me with the skills and confidence needed to excel in this study.
So yeah, I would like to express, before starting with telling my experience, I would like to express my gratitude to RS HRTA program, because of which I could learn success factors. Honestly, this program gave a new direction to my career, I would say. And during the learning phase, we were provided with detailed videos and study materials along with the demo system as well, which made this journey easier and interesting. So we had to prep ourselves when we were given us assessment scenarios to configure in the demo system, and of course we had to present that in front of the HR Tech experts, based on which they would assess our progress.
During HRTA program, I learned about HR business processes, SAP SuccessFactors, and effective client interaction.
I gained a solid understanding of SAP SuccessFactors and how it can be used in HR. I learned how to configure the system to meet the business requirements of the company, manage employee data effectively, and automate various HR processes. I got to learn how to develop solutions and how to advise customers on SAP best practices so that we can optimize and streamline processes.
So during HRTA program, as I knew HR processes, because I have already past experience in the HR recruiter and journalist field, but I could see that how they are getting automated, how the success factors is reducing the manual work of paperwork and automating almost every possible requirement of the client. So I got to learn about the SF system, success factors system, how it is useful for the HR in today's world, how it will reduce the manual work of the HR, and how it is effective.
My favorite part of HRTA program was hands-on training and real-world problem solution.
My favorite part is the in-depth training that we had of the HR functions as well as the SF system, and then making sure that every employee that is undergoing this training, they are capable enough to handle the system going forward by taking regular assessments from time to time. And also we were given a set of questions that we had to present in the demo system. And if at some point during demo or during our learning phase, if we faced any issues or if we had any doubts, HR Tech experts were helping us from time to time, so that they were resolving our doubts as well as guiding us in a bit way. So that's a very, honestly, that's a very good approach for the freshers who are getting on-the-job training and as well as getting guidance from their seniors as well. So I at no point I felt that I'm not getting guidance from anyone, and not even if I have any doubt, I could approach any senior and ask them about it. So yeah, this is my good part about HRTA program here.
My favorite part of the HRTA program is understanding how the system works and getting hands-on experience, which later helped me in developing solutions for the customers which make their day-to-day functions simpler.
The hands-on training and the requirements that they provide us with, it allowed me to apply what I learned in real-world scenarios.
A typical workday for me involves gathering and designing requirements, configuring and testing CRs in Qualtrics, then doing data migration, client engagement, documentation, and post-implementation support.
I have to carry on discussions with SMEs to gather requirements and design solutions. I also have to configure and test the solutions which we finalize, and after that I have to train the clients on how the modules we have configured actually work and provide post-implementation support.
Working closely with experts to understand their business needs and recommending effective solutions.
So my typical workday follows with checking the issues. Now that I'm currently working in AMS and I'm getting to explore and experience almost every possible issue that could encounter when we are using this system. So it follows with checking the issues primarily, then approaching seniors if I require any guidance or help with something else, and if required at all, we can reach SAP's customer support. And of course, after that, we had to get the confirmation, and based on our analysis, we can confirm the client, and if required, we can consult them by going on a meeting with them. And yeah, post that we have to document everything and share with the client accordingly, and keep it in our database as well, so that whoever will work on that in future, they will get the reference from it.
If you are considering to join RA's HRTA program, now it's the perfect time to dive into this HR Tech.
SAP SuccessFactors are the leading HR technology worldwide. RA has top expert in this field, offering excellent learning opportunities and career growth.
So yeah, I would definitely say that HR Tech is currently the hottest skill in the market, and if you are at all considering joining RA's HRTA program, you definitely should. It's the perfect time for you to join so that you can succeed in your career. RA makes sure that even if you are joining the program, you are properly trained and you are getting the experience as well by supporting the AMS projects. You are getting to learn about the issues, and after that you will get handed out to implementation project and everything. So yeah, they make sure that your career path is also followed along with your training phase. So yeah, if you are thinking about joining HRTA of RA, please, it's a perfect time for you to join.
SuccessFactors right now is world's leading HR tech cloud solution, and RA has the best team of SF experts in the market, and you will be learning from the best.
My favorite culture code is never stop learning. According to me, it's always keep upgrading and polishing your skills.
Favorite cultural code is, I would say, never stop upskilling yourself, whatever you are doing in technology and in your personal life as well. So here in RA, you will never feel that you are getting stopped or you are stuck at any point. You will have to keep learn and keep grow in your respective technology and your skill. So that is, I would say, my personal favorite cultural code here. And yeah, along with that, I would say the outings that RA arranges every now and then, once in a year. So that is my favorite code as a cultural code.
Think smart. Creating innovative solutions that benefit customers while also minimizing time and rework.
Being nice to everyone and everybody in the organization follows.